Hey everybody, my name is Brian and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you a very slow, sexy choreography from the song called I Care For You by Aaliyah. Alright, let's start. Alright guys, for this one, super slow. So this one you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It goes like this. Go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Arch your back. 1, 2, 3. Close. 1, 2, 3. Catch. Alright? One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Close. Open, drop, up. Alright? One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Arch your back. 1, 2, 3. Up. Alright? Next. For this one, you're gonna change your weight. Shoulder and down. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Close, shoulder, down. Go turn, step, close, open, scoop, chest. Okay, one more time. You go from here, drop, and scoop, close. Change weight to your right. Use your shoulder, drop, and turn, step right, close, open, swing your arm, front and chest. Alright? Next, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, open. Then roll, you show hips, turn around, close, open, close, slow. Good job. One more time for this one. Let's do it from the beginning, alright? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Change shoulder, hop, and turn, 2, 3, close, and hop, and slow, open, roll, hips, turn around, close, side, up, and good job. Alright, next for this one, 1, 2, 3. Then this one go down 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and step 1, 2. From here, step 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's try again. 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, next, you're gonna go change your weight to your right. At the same time, wave and change. That's 1, 2, 3 counts also. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Let's do it one more time. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Then to the front, you gotta go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Scoop, 2, 3. Turn, open, and slow, and close. That's it. Let's try one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 3. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Close. Alright? Good job. Let's do it from the beginning. Alright? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Hip and up. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, help, And 1, 2, 3. Open. Roll. Show hips. Go 1, 2, 3. Up and down. Go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Up. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Slow. 2, 3. Good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comments our videos. Alright? So if you want to see the choreography with music, we're gonna post it. I'm gonna post it on the description down below. Alright? See you soon and God bless everyone.